Hello everyone, welcome back again in PPT template channel. In this channel you can learn all about tutorials and download designs using PowerPoint. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe PPT template channel. In this video, I will show how to add or change themes in PowerPoint. Let's start. How to change a theme. Open your PowerPoint design. Select Tab Design and select Design and your design can change. How to apply a new theme to selected slides only. Open your presentation. Go to the tab Design. Select Slide can change. How to importing a theme. Open tab Design. Click bottom arrow. Click Browse for theme. How to editing the colors of the theme. Thanks for watching.